Can we save you one's photos on WhatsApp? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, we will launch WhatsApp application on a device. Now make sure to log into your account. If you have got view one's photos on WhatsApp, you simply need to open the particular chat and try saving view one's photos on WhatsApp. But unfortunately, we are not able to save view one's photos on WhatsApp due to the privacy restrictions on WhatsApp. WhatsApp may notify the sender if you take screenshots or a screen recording of the particular view one's photos or videos. So, while it is technically possible to save view one's photos using different kinds of third party application, but that is quite illegal. That is why we should respect the privacy of the senders and not take any kind of screenshots or screen recording of view one's photos on WhatsApp. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.